Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Paksiw Na Bangus, a truly iconic Filipino comfort food. This delicious dish showcases milkfish, also known as bangus, cooked simply in a flavorful, tangy broth. It's incredibly satisfying, offering a delightful balance of sour and savory notes. You'll find it's not only easy to prepare, but also wonderfully nourishing for your whole family. To begin, let's gather our simple yet powerful ingredients. You'll need one whole milkfish, properly cleaned and cut into serving pieces. For our flavorful broth, prepare about half a cup of white vinegar, a quarter cup of water, and a tablespoon of soy sauce, along with a little salt. Don't forget fresh minced garlic, sliced ginger, and a couple of long green chilies for a mild kick. Adding some sliced eggplant or okra can also be a wonderful touch. Now, let's get cooking. Start by arranging a generous layer of sliced ginger and minced garlic at the bottom of your cooking pot. This creates a fragrant bed for our fish. Carefully place your cleaned milkfish slices on top of these aromatics, trying to keep them in a single layer if possible. This simple step ensures even cooking and helps infuse every piece with incredible flavor, building a great foundation for our dish. With the fish in place, it's time to add our liquid magic. Pour in the white vinegar, water, and soy sauce mixture, making sure the fish is mostly submerged. Now, bring everything to a gentle boil over medium heat. Once it's bubbling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer. The fish will become incredibly tender, absorbing all those wonderful flavors. Continue cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the fish is perfectly done. Once your Paksiw Na Bangus is perfectly cooked, it's time to taste and adjust the seasoning. You might want a little more salt or perhaps an extra splash of vinegar to enhance that tangy flavor. Carefully transfer your fish to a serving plate, drizzling plenty of that delicious, savory broth over the top. Garnish with fresh long green chilies or a sprinkle of spring onions if you like. Serve it hot with a generous scoop of steamed rice, and truly savor this wonderful homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.